If your lawn is struggling to thrive, aerating can be the key to making it healthier and greener. Lawn aeration allows air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the soil and reach the roots, helping your grass grow stronger. In this video, we'll walk through 5 of the best lawn aerator shoes you can find on Amazon, each designed to meet different needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lawn enthusiast, we've got a pick for you. Let's dive in. At number 5, Ohhoohoo Lawn Aerator. Shoes with Velcro straps. First up, the Ohhoohoo Lawn Aerator Shoes. Ideal for beginners or anyone who wants an easy and affordable solution to aerate their lawn. These shoes come with a simple design, no assembly required. All you need to do is strap them on and you're ready to go. The Velcro straps make them incredibly easy to put on and remove, ensuring a secure fit without the hassle of complicated buckles or laces. They feature durable spikes that penetrate the soil to allow better airflow, water absorption, and nutrient delivery to the grassroots. These shoes are lightweight, making them comfortable to walk in while you're aerating your yard. They also come with adjustable straps, so they fit most foot sizes, making them a versatile option for many. These shoes are perfect for small to medium-sized lawns and mild soil conditions. If you're looking for a straightforward and inexpensive way to improve your lawn's health, the Ohhoohoo Lawn Aerator Shoes are a great choice to get started without breaking the bank. At number 4, Denfory Preassembled Aerator Shoes. Next, we have the Denfory Preassembled Aerator Shoes, a fantastic choice if you have rocky or compact soil. What sets these shoes apart is their reinforced base made from a combination of aluminum alloy and plastic, which provides durability and sturdiness that many other models lack. This makes them an excellent option for tougher terrains like rocky or heavily compacted soil, where other shoes might bend or break under pressure. One of the standout features is that these shoes come fully assembled, so there's no need to spend time putting them together. Simply strap them on and start aerating your lawn. The heavy-duty spikes help break up compacted soil, allowing for better nutrient absorption, and they can handle a variety of soil types, from sandy to clay-heavy soil. These shoes come with adjustable Velcro straps for a secure fit, and the added anti-slip bottom ensures they stay put even in wet conditions. Whether you have a small lawn or a larger yard with tough terrain, these aerator shoes offer both practicality and durability, making lawn maintenance much easier. At number 3, Bakula Lawn Aerator Shoes with cleaning tool coming in. At number 3, we have the Bakula Lawn Aerator Shoes, designed for those looking for deeper aeration and a more durable construction. These shoes feature extra long spikes, which help create deeper holes in the soil, ensuring that air, water, and nutrients reach the roots more effectively. The longer spikes are perfect for improving the health of lawns that have compacted soil or are heavily trafficked. One of the best things about these shoes is their stability. The cross-strap design provides excellent support, keeping the shoes in place as you walk around your yard. These shoes also come with a stainless steel shovel, a handy tool for cleaning the spikes after use. This thoughtful addition ensures you can easily remove soil buildup and keep your shoes in top condition for future use. Made to last, these shoes are a cost-effective solution for improving your lawn without the need for expensive machinery. Whether you have a small or medium-sized lawn or need something more durable for challenging soil conditions, the Bakula Lawn Aerator Shoes are a great option for more serious lawn care. At number 2, ComGlo Upgraded Lawn Aerator Shoes with aluminum sole. At number 2, we have the ComGlo Upgraded Lawn Aerator Shoes, an excellent choice for those who prioritize durability and comfort. These shoes stand out because of their aluminum alloy sole, which offers greater stability and durability compared to the traditional plastic bases found on most aerator shoes. The aluminum provides a heavy-duty platform that supports your weight and helps the spikes penetrate deep into the soil, creating perfect aeration holes. The spikes are made of 304 stainless steel, so they're corrosion-resistant and designed to last for years of use. The shoes come pre-assembled, saving you time and hassle. Plus, the adjustable Velcro straps ensure a comfortable, secure fit for most foot sizes, whether you're working on a small yard or larger, more expansive lawn. These shoes are especially suited for people with heavier soil or patchy grass that requires a little extra work to improve its health. They are made to last and will help create a lush, thick lawn year after year. If you're looking for sturdiness and reliability, the ComGlo upgraded lawn aerator shoes are a great investment for your lawn care routine. At number 1, Poncho Lawn Aerator Shoes with metal buckles and 3 straps. Finally, at number 1, we have the Poncho Lawn Aerator Shoes. A great choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done. These shoes are equipped with 3 adjustable straps featuring metal buckles, which are much more durable than plastic buckles. The straps ensure that the shoes stay in place as you walk, even on uneven ground. With 12 2-inch spikes, these shoes are designed to effectively aerate your lawn, promoting healthier grass by allowing essential nutrients, water, and air to reach the soil. The shoes are easy to use. Just strap them on and walk around your yard. There's no complicated setup, making them perfect for anyone who wants a quick and effective solution without needing special tools or equipment. These shoes are a great entry-level choice for those with smaller lawns or light to medium soil conditions. If you're on a budget and just need something straightforward that gets the job done, the Poncho Lawn Aerator Shoes are the most affordable and convenient option for a healthy, green lawn. And there you have it, 5 of the best lawn aerator shoes available today. Each one is tailored for a different need, whether you're a beginner, have tough soil, or just want a simple, cost-effective solution. Choose the one that best fits your yard and your budget, and get ready to transform your lawn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews like this one. Happy gardening!